Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ijlal, and today I'm going to explain you how to use and how to update the dashboard. It is so. First of all, I should explain you what is this PPC dashboard all about and how it is working. So what it is capable of showing is it is showing you the total sales for your period. You can change your periods. For now I've taken a 2 weeks period to compare the data with other periods, and these periods are actually connected to the excel workbook sheets in the background. If I can show you for April, this is Excel workbook and it has two sheets. One is April 1 and one is April 2, and for both our dashboard is showing us different periods. So you can create as much as periods you can, and I'll tell you how to create that. Then we have targeting. You can filter your results according to your targeting. It can be automatic and it can be manual, but to compare your share, sales share and spend share, auto versus manual, you should have both of them checked. Then we have a slicer, a filter according to each type. Targeting type: sponsored brand video, sponsored display. And you can see here your sale and spend by type according to your period. Like May 1, it is first 2 weeks of May. You can see my spend for and sales for sponsored product, display, sponsored video, and sponsored brand. You can, like, it is fully optimizable, and it's purely like optimizable. Charts, everything is optimizable here. You can put your data, labels, your tables, everything. So this one is total spend by sales according to your period. This chart is telling us our impressions as compared to our clicks according to each period by their targeting type, automatic and manual. As we can like clearly see that impressions are falling for automatic in this one on my account. Okay, now this one is a cause versus CTR. Click-through rate. A cause is indicated by red columns, and this line is line chart is explaining the CTR, where it is going high. I mean, it is definitely by targeting type and according to the period. So it is showing us different all of our periods and our results on what are the CTRs and a cause according to the uh, match types and oh sorry targeting types. Now here it is telling us, these two charts are telling us our sales share auto versus manual. This is totally like you can compare it for one. You can see on April 1 or the first 2 weeks of April, it is uh, auto versus manual share. This is definitely your sales. So these are your sales, and also this is the spend, your spends versus manual versus auto. So we have the lighter part as manual and the darker part as auto. So I hope you have got how this is working. So now let's see how you can make it work. First of all, you have to download. I've given you the folder link. You have to download the your PPC dashboard from here. Go to the drive and download it. Once you have downloaded it, open it. Let me open it for you. Okay, I haven't downloaded it, so let me download it. So once it's downloaded, you have to open it, and definitely it is at the back end. It is connected with some dummy data and not enable editing. It is also tell you to enable content. You have to enable the content here for Power Query to work. And here you go. This one is totally built on dummy data. Now how to connect your as I told you, it is totally automatic, so you have to connect your PPC dashboard with a folder at the back end, just like mine once. This one is connected to a folder at the back end, which is this one, PPC data. Okay, and I have separate workbooks for each month. So you have to, what you have to do once you have downloaded, create uh, create 3 new worksheets, okay, just like this one, and rename them according to your months. Let's say this one is for April 2021, okay, and so on. This one for May 21, and this one for June 2021. So you can create, after creating them, now you have to create your worksheets according to your amount of periods that you want. You can create daily, and the you can create on weekly basis, maybe 2 weeks, bi-weekly, or tri-weekly. It's up to you, or maybe a monthly. So the more you create, so the sheets in this workbook are connected to the periods here. So the more you'll create the sheets here in your the folder which is connected, which will connect soon now, the more you'll create sheets here, the more you'll see in these periods here. Okay, so I'll create like for May is for April, so I will write APR 1 for, you can create as many as you can. So what is it is what this is indicating, April 1, this means, for me this means 2 weeks, first 2 weeks of April. And similarly for second sheet I will write APR 2, which is indicating second 2 weeks, last 2 weeks of the April. So I've created this one. You have to create, like if you want to create for each week, you can create 4 of them, April 2, April 3, then April 4. It will show here in your PPC dashboard like for periods here, but for now I'm only using for 2. I'm using bi-weekly. So once you have created, you have to create all of them for June, for May, for all of your months. Once you have done that,